So welcome back to another section, refining our selections, section number 6. In this section we will be looking into how to deal with more than million data, or even if you have a data results of 10,000, and if you want to sort the first 5, or if you want to just pick up the 5 from the results. In this case we will be using this section. It will be useful for you if you work on this session. And we will be using the same books data here also for the section. I want, and if you want the first top 5 books sorted by sales, or by the sorted the books alphabetically, or even if you want the latest books of 20,000 or I'm sorry, something like that, we will use different commands based on it. And let's look more deep into this for section. And also I will be explaining you with the different keywords we use to refine our selections. So the first keyword is select distinct, the distinct statement. We will use the select and distinct statement together. And if we want to display, if we use the select column 1 and column 2 from table name, it will show you the column 1 and column 2 also. Even if you have any duplicate entries, or if you have multiple entries, it will display the completely. And if you use the select distinct statement, it will gives you the unique values. It will not show you the duplicate ones. And here I will give you an example with the code. Let me go ahead and show you here. Okay. And okay, this is the old database we use it, and let me show it for you. Okay. And if you want, I will show you what is the select star from books. The table name is books that we have selected. This is the table name which we have created for you, which, and if you want, you can get the sample tables, and you will get the sample data to work with. If you Google it, you will get it from the web Google. And now if I want the author name alone, I will give select author last name from books. Okay. And you can see we have 2 values, like 2 Lahiri, Gaiman. These are repeating, and even at the bottom after Eggers, the Gaiman have repeated. And so if we need only the author name list, the select keyword will not work. So what we will use is, we will use one distinct here to give the distinct values. Now you see, it will give only the author last name without the repetition. Suppose if you want the author last name and first name, select author L name, author F name. Okay, from books. I have some problem with my keyboard. Okay. Okay, if we select the author last name, author sorry, F. Okay, it will display you the author last name and author first name without with repetitions. You can see this. And if we use the distinct here, I will show you. Distinct and also we want to use the concat so that it will display you both the author last name and first name. You can see it. It will gives you the author first name, last name and first name without repetition. And if you can rename the table as author, okay, or else full name. You see it? Okay, here it looks better. I am adding the space. Here it is. So this is how we use the concat and distinct commands, select, distinct and concat commands to display the author's full name without any repetition. So this is what the command distinct, this is how we used to. And let's move on to the next keyword, that is sorting out the data by keyword. So or even on the next topics we will use the order by, and this is one of the important keyword that we use along with the data. Hopefully you will see why that it is useful when you start trying to understand the things. So, and also it's a good to be able to sort your data, and even if it is for the books, right now we are getting them in the order when they are inserted. So if we want to check the books which has been sold, like which is more popular and which is sold more number of copies, we have to use the keyword order by. And also the most if you want to find out the most active users on our website, at least the active users or something similar, we find the most uploaded posts or the posts that the most comments on our blog or whatever we are working with. So it's important to be that we should be able to sort things. And again, the way we do that is by using the keyword order by. So let's look at an example. Let's have a query that we are going to work on with. Like we want to select all the author last names from the books, and if it is distinct last name from the books, and so this is the thing which we have sorted out lastly. And let me go ahead and give some example with the code here. Okay, so we have we want the author last name, and then we want to order from books order by. Okay, then let me go ahead and we can use the command distinct here, order from books, and the order by we will use it lastly, and we are going to use the command order by author last name. Here it is, it will order by last name, and if this is a default, I have said it is ascending, for normal it will be ascending for order by statement, and if you want to use it for descending, we will use the word DESC. So it will reordered by descending order. So if we want the titles, let's order. Okay, select title from books, and if you want to order this by title, you see this, this has been ordered by the title in ascending. If you want it by descending, add DESC. So in the same way, you can order the books by the released year, both in ascending and descending also. If you want to order by released year, you will add released year here. Do you see this? And if you want the released year as well as the title in front of it to be more clear, comma, title, you will get like this along with the title and the released year of the books. And if you want to make it as descending, I will show it as descending. Just check whether how the table changes. Okay, so this is how we will use the descending and ascending, and as well as how to how to use the order by to sort out the tables. And we will use another keyword which I will show it to you once again. Okay, and also we can use limit, and if you want to, I will show you. If you want select order last name, and where is it? Okay, select title and released year, order by okay, here it is. Okay, what does this means? Select title, released year, and from books order by. This is a by 2, and this is a shortcut, and here this is the column number 1, column number 2. So if we go ahead and run this will sort accordingly by the released year. Here it is in the ascending. So title, if you have author, L name, if by this you will understand. You can see this has been ordered by the second column, that is the author last name. So if I mention it as 3, it will go ahead and order by the released year. If it is 1, it will be the first one, that is the title. So this is the use of what I have used is order by 2. And if you want it by descending, DESC, here it is. So, and I will give you another example. Like if you want to order by the, here it is. It will order by the first name, and suppose if we have a second name, like a different second name, I don't have anything differently here. Yeah, I don't have, like it will use the author last name and first name. So last name will be first, and then it will consider the alphabets of the first name if you have same author first name. So that's how we use this order by in different forms. Now
next up
the next
in our toolbox is limit.
Let me look into the next thing is limit. Limit is the keyword where we use this is the syntax. Select column name from table name where the condition and the number. I will give you with the this is the limit allows us to specify a number for how many results that we want to select. So if I could say I want the first 2 best selling books of the year, or if I want the books that is sold in the year on a particular year, so that we can often use it with the conjunction with order by sorting. What that typically is going to give you something meaningful rather than just saying select all books and give me the first 2. first two. Well, how was the first defined and what we can do that? I will show you that if we do a select, let's just do the title from books and order. We will look into, so I could limit this, limit the data, like if we want to limit the first three books released in a particular year, or if we want the limit by, like we could know the limit is 1 to 10 or anything, any limit we can set. And so we can use it with order by. So let me go ahead and show you with an example for the limit. Let me go ahead and open up the workbench for you. Okay, so if we where is it? Okay, we are showing select title from books. I'm using limit 3. Do you see it will gives only first the 3 books, and if it is select from title from books limit 1, it is going to give you 1 book, the namesake, and if it is 10, it will gives you 10 books. You can count it. And like if you want to give the whole table, select star from title, it will gives you first 10 books, and if it is 1, it will gives you only the first book. Okay, and you can use this order by also. Let me give you another example. Select, we need to give the first 5 books, the oldest 5 books of the books that has been released. So I will use released year. Okay, we need to show title and released year from books, order by order by released year. We need the first book, and how many books we need to limit. And before that, this is the, if we want the latest books, it should be descending. If it is an from oldest book, we can go, no need to write the DESC. So descending, limit 5. You see, yeah, this is the latest books which is on the data. And if we want to limit it by only, if you want the only one latest book, it will show you here. And if you can give around 12 books, it will show you all the 12 books here. And this is how we can order by released year, or if you want to order it by any other, like alphabet, anything we can do. And there is another choice. I will go give it to you. If I am giving 0, 3, what this will show you? It will start with 0. The first one is 0, and then it will gives you 3. If it is 2, show you, it will gives you this from 2 and 3. So so this will gives you everything after 2 and 3, and after 2, the 3 books it will be showing. Let me give you the show you this. Okay, let me take this out. 2, 3. It will if I'm giving order by released year, okay, if it is okay, it will we can give released year also here. Okay, it will give you if I'm giving one descending, if I'm giving you the third one is Norse mythology, and then 10% happier. So if we give 2, the limit is, it will give you the next 3. Do you see? It has given you Norse mythology, and it is in a descending order. So this is how it will show you. So you can work out by changing the numbers so that it will be easier for you to understand, and also you will be like, even if you want to show from books from starting from book number 5, and if you have a limit of, if you want to give or all the books, you can give like this. So the limit, you can give any limits, but it will show you only the last data even if you increase the number. And the next keyword is the like operator, and we can use different searches
so
using the like operator. The like is very useful. It's basically allows us to perform better searching of our data. So if you think like if you want to find exact matches, so I could do things like so like star from books where title is exact. Like if you want to select the book name Harry Potter, and if you can give select star of, and you can use like option. And if you are not sure about the complete spelling, you can use different symbols like the percentage sign, and the percentage sign represents 0 on multiple characters, the underscore represents a single characters. These are the wildcards. We can use it while we using the like operator. So let's go ahead and open up the let's go ahead and open up the workbench for you, and I will show you how to use the. Okay, suppose if you want to select, this is the select. If you want to first let me open up the, okay, suppose if you want to select the author name whose names start with whose names having the words DA in it, or their first name whose names like select title author first name from where the author name like DA means anything in DA, even in the starting or ending, if it has DA, you will show you DA. You got it? Here it is DA. For anywhere it is which is as DA, it will show you like this. If I remove this percentage, it will show only the names which starts with DA, and if you remove the percentage on the end, it will show you only the words which ends with DA. And if you want to select the books which contains the exact thing, like if you want to know the exact thing, you can give the keyword the. So in the books, I will show you what are like we will. It will show you the books wherever it contains the, it will give you this, the title from the books. Okay, what is it? Yeah, the select star from the title which it contains the, and also if I have mentioned it as, I'm sorry, okay. Now if you want to select the books where the title is starts with the, if I go ahead and enter this, like it will not show you anything, like the title will not contain any books exactly like that. So there cannot be a title. I don't know whether any books exist with the, but here we don't have it in the data. And here if I mention it like percentage and then percentage, it will show you the title with the. So this is how we use the like operator. And if we like we can use more searches using the like, and also you can use, like if you want to use, there is like if you can for underscore also you can use it, and different wildcards we can use it here. So if in case if you want to find out any books or any books which is released in that particular year, we can use the command like. And it's probably most commonly used things like while doing the queries, like if you want to find out the student which is best, or find out the student who is in particular region or particular address, we will use the, for the school data we will use the command like. So that's all about this section, refining our selections. Thanks for watching, and we will discuss you on more sections in the next video. Thanks, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thanks for and if you have any feedback, don't forget to leave it in comments. Thank you.